Re-Eco by Swedteam. The Scottish Highlands. Winter is coming. Soon, food will be scarce in the Highlands. Deer management is about sustainability. To keep a healthy population of red deer, the number of hinds must be reduced. The dissolved camouflage pattern performs very well in the Highlands, but also in the forest. We're looking to take an older hind, so she can make way for the next generation. Re-Eco clothing also have the new Neo-Nordic 200 membrane. This membrane is silent, soft, and elastic, offering exceptional breathability and lasting protection from wind and water. We are aiming for more sustainable solutions. That's why we want our clothing to be sustainable as well. Re-Eco clothing is made from recycled polyester. We are sustainable. We are proud to be hunters. We are Swedteam. She is ready for the future. Are you? Re-Eco by Swedteam.